Unbox.
Unbox. This is the Karcher. Karcher?
Yeah, Karcher.
Okay, Karcher.
Karcher Bagless vacuum cleaner.
Okay, then open, cut. Inside, cut. Okay, here we go. Here we come, mga kasaksak. Okay, first, this is the manual.
Manual,
This
see?
is the manual.
Okay.
This is the hose of the vacuum. The hose you put her first. Then wait. Okay.
This
The
is
other one is
some for the hose, the
hose.
suction.
okay.
It's the brush and so on.
And
And
then,
this is the right.
so this one is
So also together with the hose. So one set combined with the hose. So on the pole.
pull.
The metal rod.
Yes, you see, it's super
Okay, this is the
heavy.
main body.
The body. My goodness. Okay.
Anything else in the box? What is this?
Okay, the extra.
Oh, and the brush and so on. Extra. See, what's it?
Brush.
All the brush, all the type of brushes.
Brush.
So they reach at the window and the ceiling all.
And let's do this. We have more. No more.
No more, eh?
Okay.
Okay.
Now we this one.
Yeah.
This is the water.
Subscribe to my channel.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.